Hi there, it's October 2021, an update of the portfolio and the new stock I added to my daughter's dividend portfolio. How are you today? Welcome to my channel where you can follow my journey to set up and maintain a dividend portfolio for my 5-year-old daughter. I started buying dividend stocks for my daughter for at least $50 every month starting January 2020. And next to that, I bought 0.01 Bitcoin, which is growing 4 to 5% yearly. Watch the whole video to find out which stock I bought for October and why. October 2021. I bought the 22nd dividend paying stock and will give an overview of the portfolio and the market in September. This month, just an overview of the portfolio and I present the stock I bought. If you are new and like to follow my journey and see the dividend portfolio of my daughter grow, then please consider subscribing. I upload a new video each month at least. Let's do a small recap from my previous videos and discuss the market, the S&P 500, as well as Bitcoin and the portfolio in September. I have bought 21 dividend-paying stocks. Along the way, I diversified along each sector according to eToro, the broker I use. I have ensured that there are dividend payouts each month. Actually, now the portfolio has at least $1 in dividend payouts each month. So I can invest these directly the next month in a new dividend stock. What happened in September? The S&P 500 went down from 4,550 to just below 4,300. The portfolio did not so good as well. It even had its worst month since the start. It went down from 18.4% to 10.5%. Of course, we're still in the green. Most stocks went down, some even quite a lot. Only 2 stocks of the 21 went up, Home Depot and McDonald's, but just slightly. AbbVie, PPG Industries and T. Rowe Price dropped the most, with 15 to 20% points. And Bitcoin? Bitcoin also had a drawback in September and went from around 47k to around 43k. Nonetheless, BlockFi gave a nice interest, which resulted in an additional 3,810 Satoshi. And with the interest received of the previous month, I have in total 1,062,155 Satoshi. If you're interested in BlockFi, where you can open an interest account and buy Bitcoin, you can use the link below. It gives a $10 bonus when you invest $100 or more. I received 11 dividend payouts in September. Atmos Energy, Pfizer, Microsoft, PPG Industries, Sherwin-Williams, 3M, McDonald's, Home Depot, Walmart, T. Rowe Price, and Pepsi. And this resulted in $2.50 in dividends. And of course, this will be added to the stock to buy in October, along with the $50. The stock I bought for this month is Realty Income, ticker symbol O, an NYSE-listed real estate investment trust, a REIT, with a portfolio consisting of freestanding, single-tenant commercial properties. Among Realty Income's largest tenants are Walgreens, the 7-Eleven, FedEx and LA Fitness. The REIT differentiates itself from most other peers by paying out dividends monthly rather than quarterly, an approach it has maintained for over 50 years. I always wanted to buy this REIT for its great dividend payouts of around 4.2% right now, and it pays its dividends monthly. However, with the looming Evergrande crisis, this might be risky, but the stock did drop quite some last month, so now I could buy it cheaper than it has been for a while. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and a bit of educational purposes only. Any investment has risks, so do your own research. And so on eToro, I bought Realty Income, ticker symbol O, on the first day of October for $52.50. If you like this video, please consider liking or sharing this video and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me to grow this channel. Thanks for watching and see you next video.